Hello everyone, welcome to the Moodle Minute. I'm Marni here with quick tips to make teaching with Moodle easier and faster. Today's topic, finding your courses on the Moodle Dashboard. Sometimes you log into Moodle and your course is not there. Don't panic, it's usually just a filter setting. Let's look at the filter options in the course overview block. You can filter courses by In Progress, which are courses happening right now, Future, which are courses that haven't started yet, Past, which are previous semesters, All, which is literally everything, every course you're enrolled in either as a student, a teaching assistant, or a professor. Starred are courses you choose to highlight, and Remove from View are courses that you have hidden. It is important to note that the default filter is set to In Progress. However, if you make a change, Moodle remembers your last filter, so it'll keep showing courses that way the next time you log in. If you have a lot of courses on the current semester, aka In Progress, and you only want certain courses front and center, go to the course, click the three dots, and choose Star this course. Then filter by Starred. Ta-da! Just the courses you want, making it so clean and organized. To unstar a course, simply click the three dots and select Unstar this course. If there's a course you don't need to see and it's just taking up space, click the three dots and select Remove from View. If you accidentally remove something without realizing it, no worries. Switch your filter to Remove from View, click the three dots, and select Restore to View. So why do courses sometimes disappear mid-semester? All Moodle courses at Gustavus start the Sunday before the semester begins and come with 16 weeks of sections. If any sections are deleted, Moodle automatically adjusts the end date. When the new end date is in the past, Moodle moves that course from In Progress to the Past filter, making it look like it suddenly vanished. A quick solution is either setting your filter to All or simply starring those courses. If you've checked all the filters and things still look wonky, just reach out to the GTS Helpline. We're always happy to help track down any missing courses. So the next time you can't find a course, check the filter first. And that's your Moodle Minute. Thanks for watching.